Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video today I am going to show you different ways of grating the coconut. So I would be showing you 5 different ways of grating the coconut, and I would also be showing you how can you cut the coconut, and I would also show you the traditional way of grating the coconut to different other ways, like using different tools how you can grate the coconut. So this is the actually traditional way of grating the coconut. Using this this is made of wood. So using this we have a sharp blade which will be used to grate the coconut. So this way also I would be showing you. So please watch this video until end, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So now let's see how to cut the coconut. So here I have taken a whole coconut, and these are the breaking points. That lines are the breaking points to cut the coconut. So if you cut the coconut to these breaking points, then the coconut will cut in one shot, and even it will be cut perfectly. You can see here the coconut is cut perfectly. You can see here edge of the wall. So using this breaking points, you can cut the coconut to the edge of the wall as well. You can even break the coconut on the floor, but the coconut would be cut into pieces. So best way is to use this tool to cut the coconut. You can find this tool in any of the local shop. You can even find this in a utensil shop. So now let's see the different ways of scraping the coconut. So here is the first way of scraping the coconut. So using this you grate the coconut. This is a traditional way of grating the coconut using the wooden tool. Here you can see we will be using this tool for scraping the coconut. So using this tool you can scrape the coconut very fast. It again depends on the blade that is used in this tool. This is available in the local shop, but the tool should be sharper. So the more sharper it is, the faster you can scrape the coconut. The second way of scraping the coconut is the same traditional way. Now it is available in this form. So this is little lightweight. So scraping in this is little harder compared to the traditional wooden way of wooden tool of scraping. So here you see this is how we have scraped the coconut. So next, third way is using this. This is a tool which is made of iron. So this tool is used to scrape the coconut. So this is similar to the wooden traditional way, but in this you have to keep your leg on the tool and you need to scrape the coconut. So using this you can even cut vegetables. The next way is the fourth way of scraping the coconut is using the grinder. So first you need to remove this part on top, and then you need to remove the stone of the grinder and keep it aside, and then this scraper tool will be given along with your grinder. So that you need to fix to the grinder, and then you need to switch on the grinder. So once you switch on the grinder, the coconut that you have cut into half, that you need to place it on this sharp edge. So when you are doing this, please be careful because it is little faster, but you can easily scrape the coconut in a very short time. So this way of scraping the coconut is also a good way. My mother usually scrapes it this way. When you have to scrape it for festival, or when you have to scrape more, then this is the method that she uses to scrape the coconut. So the next way, that is the final way, the fifth way of scraping the coconut is, everyone would be having the knife at home. So using the knife you can just cut the coconut pieces like this, and cut the entire coconut like this using a knife, and then you need to cut this coconut pieces into little smaller size. So this is how you have to cut it into smaller pieces. Doing this, the coconut will grind faster in a mixer. So this coconut pieces we would put it in the mixer, and you need to grind it finely. And once it is finely grinded, you can use this grated coconut to any of your palya or any of your curry that you're going to prepare. You can use this grated coconut. This is the easiest way of scraping the coconut. You see, in all the 4 ways, like grating it using a grinder or grating grating it using a different kinds of tool that I showed you, the taste of the coconut when you use that coconut, when you use it in the curry or say palya or any of the gravy, then the taste will be different compared to the one that you have done in the last step, that is using a mixer. So mixer grating will not give you that much of taste compared to the grating using the other tools that I showed you. So in this video I have tried to cover 5 different ways of grating the coconut. So there may be other different ways which people might be using it. So this is the easiest way and which is usually used in most of the homes is what I felt, and hope you like this video. Thank you. See you soon with a new video.